Did you know that the average American spends nearly 55 minutes a day searching for things they can't find? That's over 300 hours a year lost to the chaos of mismanaged clutter and disorganization in our homes. It's a staggering statistic that highlights just how much our living spaces can impact our daily lives. Home organization doesn't just make our spaces look good, it can significantly simplify our routines, saving us time and reducing stress. Enter the world of home hacks, ingenious little tricks that can transform our living spaces into havens of efficiency and order. Home hacks are simple, often unexpected solutions to everyday problems that can make life just a bit easier, whether it's organizing your pantry, decluttering your living room, or streamlining your morning routine. These hacks address common household challenges that many of us face. Clutter can feel overwhelming, and inefficiency can lead to frustration. But with the right hacks in your toolkit, you can tackle these issues head-on and create a more harmonious living environment. Let's dive into 15 home hacks that actually work, each designed to simplify your life and enhance your home experience. 1. Use tension rods for vertical storage. Install tension rods in your cabinets or under your sink to create additional vertical storage. Hang spray bottles, cleaning supplies, or even kitchen utensils to free up counter space and keep everything organized. 2. Magnetic strips for small metal items. Attach magnetic strips to the wall of your garage or kitchen to hold small metal items like scissors, keys, or even spice jars. This not only saves space, but also keeps these items easily accessible. 3. Repurpose old shoe organizers. Hang a clear shoe organizer on the back of your door for a versatile storage solution. Use it to store everything from cleaning supplies to craft materials, making it easy to see what you have at a glance. 4. Drawer dividers for better organization. Invest in drawer dividers to keep utensils, office supplies, or even clothing neatly organized. This prevents clutter from building up and makes it easier to find what you need. 5. Use a towel rack for accessories. A simple towel rack can become a stylish way to organize scarves, belts, or even jewelry. Hang them on the rack to keep them untangled and visible, making it easier to choose an outfit. 6. Label everything. Whether it's your pantry, closet, or garage, labeling helps everyone in the household know where things belong. This simple hack can drastically reduce clutter and make tidying up a breeze. 7. Create a command center. Designate a small area in your home as a command center. Use a bulletin board, calendar, and hooks for keys to keep your family organized and on track with schedules, appointments, and errands. 8. Use binder clips for cables. Tired of tangled cables? Use binder clips to keep them organized. Clip them to the edge of your desk or a shelf to ensure that your cords are neatly managed and easy to access. 9. Repurpose glass jars for storage. Don't throw away those glass jars. They can be used for everything from pantry storage to organizing small items in your workspace. Label them for an added touch of organization. 10. Shoe rack for cleaning supplies. An over-the-door shoe rack can be a great place to store cleaning supplies. Hang it on the back of a closet door to keep your supplies organized and out of the way while still being easily accessible. 11. Use a tension rod under the sink. Similar to the first hack, placing a tension rod under your sink can help you hang cleaning bottles and keep them upright. This prevents spills and makes it easier to grab what you need. 12. Utilize the space above cabinets. The area above your kitchen cabinets is often underutilized. Consider placing decorative boxes or baskets up there to store items you don't use frequently, keeping your kitchen looking tidy. 13. Use a Lazy Susan in the fridge. A Lazy Susan can be a game changer in your refrigerator. Place condiments and small items on it so you can easily spin and find what you're looking for without digging through the back. 14. Fold clothes vertically. Instead of stacking clothes, try folding them vertically. This method not only saves space, but also allows you to see all your items at a glance, making it easier to find what you want without creating a mess. 15. Create a cleaning schedule. One of the simplest hacks for maintaining a clean home is to create a cleaning schedule. Break tasks down into daily, weekly, and monthly chores to keep your home in tip-top shape without feeling overwhelmed. Among these hacks, the most impressive is arguably the use of vertical space through tension rods and shoe organizers. These simple tools can be adapted to various areas of your home, from the kitchen to the bathroom, and can dramatically increase your storage capacity without requiring any major renovations. The effectiveness lies in their ability to utilize space that is often overlooked, turning cluttered areas into organized zones. In conclusion, these 15 home hacks offer practical solutions to common household challenges. By implementing even a few of these ideas, you can create a more organized and efficient living space. The benefits of these hacks extend beyond just aesthetics. They can save you time, reduce stress, and improve your overall quality of life. So, why not take a moment to assess your own home? With a little creativity and a few simple changes, you can transform your daily routine and reclaim those precious minutes lost to clutter. Embrace the power of home hacks and watch how they can enhance your living experience.